And my tito, my uncle is this is the spot. Yan. And then doon, ayan. Yan. And you have a air gun. Then pang to catch the big fish. And there's a time na the water is umabot hanggang dito. Yan, malapit. Ito yung house namin and need na kailangan yero because the air when had a strong storm, yan, madumi, super madumi ngayon.